How to freeze video in CapCut. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can freeze video in CapCut. To freeze a video frame in CapCut, first of all, you'll need to open your CapCut application on your mobile device, and once you open the application, here tap on the edit or the scissors icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, now in this page you'll be able to locate new project option at the very top. Simply tap on new project and then simply select a video that you'd like to add. Once after selecting the video, simply tap on the add option or the button at the bottom right. You may also tap on this little circle that says SD in order to export your video in SD quality. Once after selecting the video, simply tap on the add button at the right side and then you will be taken to the editing space. Now here you can simply select the video on the timeline, and once after selecting, here at the bottom you will need to swipe to the left side until you locate this freeze option. Once you locate this freeze tool, you will need to simply tap on it, and soon after doing that, a 3-second freeze frame will appear. Now you can adjust its duration by dragging the edges of the freeze segment. Also, if you want to freeze a specific part of the video, then you can simply first choose the part and then tap on the video in this timeline. Now tap on the split. After tapping on split, the video will be splitted. Now you will need to locate the end point of this splitted video. And after that, simply tap on the split again in order to split the specific video. After that, select the splitted video and again swipe to the left side at the very bottom until you locate the freeze option. Simply tap on freeze and then you will see a 3-second freeze frame on the timeline. Now you can adjust it anywhere on your video. So this is how you can freeze video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.